Yeah, g'day everybody, it's Ned from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove a 2012 Kia Sportage Amplifier. You may be experiencing no sound, and the amplifier is more than likely the root of the problem. Okay, tools you will need is a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Take that part out first, tilts up, and we're going to put that aside for the time being. And right in here you're going to have these guys, three of these, 1, 2, 3, and you'll get your Phillips screwdriver in there and screw it out and then pull the whole thing out. There is in fact 3 of them. Okay, once those are out, this whole part will pull out, and once again we're just going to put it aside for the time being. Now the amplifier lives behind here. Okay, and we're going to remove a Phillips head screw from there. We're also going to remove this guy here, and we'll just put that aside for the time being. So once the Phillips head screws are removed from there and there, we're going to pull this out to expose the amplifier. Now it's held in with some very strong clips. You'll need to give it a bit of force. Okay, you heard the way that clipped. And at this stage of the game, you may want to get somebody to hold it open while you undo 1, 2, 3 nuts. And you'll need to remove the electrical cables by pressing that middle button, middle pin, and pulling it back. Same with that one. Once you've removed the screws and the cables, that amplifier will come out, and you can remove it from the bracket if you like, if that'll make it easier to send to Supertech Electronics for repair.